Every equity index futures product has its own notional or financial value. For equity index futures, the notional value is based on the futures index price and a fixed multiplier. This calculation may be expressed as futures price times multiplier equals notional value. The math for calculating notional value is the same for all equity index futures, but the multiplier will change with each contract. For example, the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract has a fixed multiplier of $50. If the E-mini S&P 500 futures is trading at 2,175 even, then its notional value would be 2,175 times $50, which equals $108,750 per contract. The E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures contract has a $20 multiplier. If the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures contract is trading at 46.25 even, then the notional value would be $92,500 per contract, or 20 times 46.25. Additionally, every equity index futures contract has a standardized minimum price fluctuation, also known as a tick. The tick value is the minimum price movement, either up or down, that can occur with each futures contract. For example, E-mini S&P 500 futures have a minimum price fluctuation of 0.25 index points, or a quarter of an index point. Therefore, one tick in the E-mini S&P 500 is 1/4 of 1 point. Since a full point movement is worth $50, a quarter point movement is worth $12.50. Understanding the notional value of an equity index futures contract and the minimum price fluctuation gives traders the information they need to identify financial value for each contract and measure the cost for each tick movement in price. For more information on the multiplier and minimum price fluctuation, please visit the CME Group product specification pages.